What's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change spark plug on Toyota RAV4 2012 model. It will be exactly same procedure for 2006 to 2012 models. To do this job, we're going to need 4 spark plugs, torque wrench, extension, 16 mm spark plug socket, breaker bar, 10 mm socket. You can use either impact gun or regular ratchet. Also, gap measuring tool if you just want to make sure the gap is correct, but the spark plug comes with the pre-gap. I will put the link in the description box where you can buy the spark plug for your Toyota RAV4. Our first step will be to remove the engine cover. You can just pull the cover, it will come out. Now use the 10 mm socket and remove the bolt from all ignition coils. Now next step is to remove the electrical connection from each ignition coil. So just press the pin and pull out the plug. Now before we remove the ignition coil, we're going to check our new spark plug for the gap. Our spark plug comes with pre-gap, it's a 0.44. Now prepare your breaker bar with the extension and 16 mm spark plug socket to remove the spark plug. First, remove the ignition coil. Now take your new spark plug and put it back. But make sure you just use your hand pressure to tighten the threads. Now take your torque wrench and torque down the spark plug. Insert the ignition coil back and screw it down. Now we're going to follow exactly same procedure for the rest of the 3 spark plugs. Now tighten the bolt on each ignition coil and connect back the electrical connection. Now last step is to put the engine cover back. Now next step is to start the car and see if there's anything wrong. It sounds good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below, and please hit the subscribe to follow our new content. See you next time.